500. Thanks, guys. What's happening, Bassinators? How you doing today? Just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a video to say thank you to all my subscribers. I've reached the 500 mark. I'm super chuffed. It's been hard work, especially here in South Africa, to try and get a good following, but I have eventually reached the 500 mark, and I'm hoping to get to the 1,000 sometime by the end of the year to beginning of next year. Just a quick one to say thank you, and I appreciate all of you for following and sticking with me. So I'm just going to give you maybe a quick montage, short little video of a couple of my catches.
Let's go.
I appreciate everyone that follows me, and oh man, it just feels good. 500 people watching my videos. There's obviously a whole lot of other people that watch my videos, but only 500 of you have actually subscribed and are sticking with me, and I love you all. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys stick with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.